Okay, let's have a look at how to calculate the present value if you want to give somebody an endowment. So say you want to give somebody a certain amount of money every year for the next few years. How much do you need to invest now in order to allow them to access that amount of money over the next few years, given a certain interest rate? So let's have a look at example 1.15. Your grandfather has promised to give you $2,000 at the end of each year of your 3-year degree. He wishes to invest a lump sum now to pay for his future sequence of payments, so we want to calculate the present value. If the interest rate is 5% per annum compounded yearly, he will need to invest a certain amount at the start of your studies so he can give you $2,000 at the end of the first year. He'll need to invest a further $1,800 at the start of your future studies so that he can give you $2,000 at the end of the second year. And he'll need to invest $1,700 at the start of your studies so that he can give you $2,000 at the end of the third year. So, your grandfather will need to invest, sorry, I'm just going to scroll back up, that was really annoying. A total value of $5,400 at the start of your studies to be able to make the future annual payments. Now, we can actually calculate this using Excel, so let me show you how. So we'll go to function. We want to calculate the present value. So this is like calculating present value for annuities, similar, but it's endowments. So we've got a 5% per annum interest rate. We're going to make three annual payments, so 3 times 1. The payments will be $2,000. For each of those payments will be $2,000. The future value is 0, type is 0. And this tells us we need to invest $5,446.50 now in order to have 3 future annual payments of $2,000 each with an interest rate of 5% per annum.